In the grocery store, you can decide to buy soy milk and be vegan from now on. In the grocery store, you can decide to buy soy milk and be vegan from now on. Hi. So you ate too many apples, and you think that means that apples are bad for you. Are you sure about that? Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how. Have you ever eaten anything else, too much of it, and thought, well, I should never eat that again? Or is it just that you just shouldn't eat too much of that one thing? I don't think any doctor in the world thinks that apples are bad for you, so I wouldn't worry about it. I don't know how many you ate, but it's probably due to something else you ate. Are you eating dead animals? Because maybe stop that. Think about it. You put something dead inside of you. It's weird, isn't it? Like, would you ever eat a mouse? Or, I don't know, an alligator or a dog or a cat? Why do you put chickens inside of you, or pigs or cows? It's weird. Just go vegan, you'll be fine. Go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan. Hi. So you're not vegan, but you want to know if you're accepted. I don't know who you are. I don't know how old you are. I don't know anything about you. But just imagine this. You're in a group of friends and someone has just been kicking a cat, hurting a dog, and cutting up a pig. And they say to you, hey, can I join you guys? Can I be friends with you? What would you say? Would you be like, oh yeah, no problem. We're just going to pretend that you didn't hurt those animals? Would you honestly be able to do that? Because I can't. See, I don't have friends unless they're vegan. I don't have friends that hurt animals. I'm not mean to them. I just don't hang out with them. End speciesism, end speciesism, end speciesism, be kind to the animals. End vegan phobia, end vegan phobia, end vegan phobia, be kind to the activists. Dance if you're vegan, hands up if you're vegan. Think you can't do it? Try it, you can. Yeah. Hi, Nathan. Thanks for being here, and thanks so much for your comment, which reminds everybody not to put dead animals on their plate. I do appreciate that. Some of the activism that we could also use would be to remind people not to go to places like SeaWorld. It's where they go and they take dolphins and whales and sea lions out of the oceans and they put them in this tiny little swimming pool. And the parking lot around it is massive if you ever looked at it from an aerial view. So it's really sad because these animals suffer terribly. They miss their families and they can only swim a short distance compared to what they're really used to. So that's something else that you could talk about. And I'll encourage people not to go to the circuses either. There are circuses where it's just only human performers. Those are much better, but we don't want to hurt animals, right? Thanks for being here. You're opening your heart, you're opening your mind, you're wonderfully on your way. Soon it will be your Happy Vegan Declaration Day. Hooray! Dance with me, baby. A vegan world is coming. A vegan world is coming soon. Dance with me, baby. A vegan world is coming. A vegan world is coming soon. I know what you mean. When you find out about the incredible animal abuse that goes on, it's just mind-boggling that it's even legal and that everyone who finds out about it doesn't immediately become vegan. It's really strange. It's like, I don't know, do you ever feel like you're just living on the wrong planet? Like it's just a nightmare? Like when you actually become aware about how evil people are. Like just the average person that you think when they find out, what we do to the pigs, that they put them in gas chambers. Like, you would think that everyone would be like, no, 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 that's not right. Like, we got to stop this right away. But they don't react that way. And then, but the people who do get it, when they get their 100 clicks, they're like awake and they just start getting into activism right away. And they start painting their jackets backwards like I did. This is one's backwards for TikTok.
Go veg yourself, go veg yourself, stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go veg yourself, go veg yourself, stop hurting animals. Go vegan.
Okay, so is this really a serious question? Because I don't know what your fear of worms has to do with veganism. Veganism is about not hurting animals, so just stay away from worms if that's what you're afraid of. Being vegan is about doing the least harm, not paying people to hurt animals, not paying people to rip their skin off, just being kind in general, being compassionate. So if you don't like worms and you're riding your bike and it just rained out, perfect. Just swerve around them. Don't run over them. I'm not sure what the problem is. Did you just want to talk about a phobia just for the heck of it? Like, your phobias, your mental problems are not the animal's problem. Go vegan.
Veggies, fruits, nuts and seeds, put in your shopping cart. Peace begins on your plate, so be vegan and open up your heart. Flax seeds have omega-3. Come on, sing this song with me. Flax seeds have omega-3. Grind them up and sing yippee as you see them in your pancakes, your oatmeal, and in your daily smoothie.
Hi there. So you want to know if I'm single? Well, no. I am married to a super nice guy, and I have 3 children. They are all adults now, and I'm actually a grandmother. I have a 2.5-year-old granddaughter, and I have a dog. Her name is Bella, and she was adopted from the SPCA. She's about 7 years old, and she's vegan. I don't know if you've ever met her or not, but we decided to feed Bella only vegan food because we found out that dogs can eat vegan food, which is a bag of food that you buy. It looks just like regular dog food. And that way we don't have to pay anyone to murder for us. So our household, our whole property is vegan, so we don't let anyone bring non-vegan foods here. And yeah, we go to vegan restaurants occasionally, not that often. And what about you? Tell me about you.
Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door.
Hi. Well, I've had arugula, but I've never had grilled watermelon. What's it taste like? I mean, do you make it kind of like salty? Like, do you put salt on it and spices? Or like, how do you do it? So let me know in the comments. Write down, how do you make grilled watermelon? I've never had it before. I'm vegan, of course, because of the animals. So I just eat really simply. I just eat whole foods, chia seeds every day, ground up, and flax seeds ground up in big smoothies. I have bananas and I have peppers and, just a lot of different whole foods. That's how I eat. So I've never really gotten into like fancy cooking before. Recently, though, I did make a video about it that I made like a banana nice cream, which is like you blend up frozen banana with other fruit in it. And that is so good. It tastes exactly like ice cream. Tell me more.
Check the label, check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray! Go to howdoigovegan.com, sing it with me. Howdoigovegan.com, sing it again. Howdoigovegan.com, sing it with me. Howdoigovegan.com.
Hi. So you want to know what I would do if I saw a person in public eating a dead animal? Well, what would you do? Let's say you're walking down the street and then you saw somebody cutting up a dog, um, putting the dog on a barbecue, and then taking a knife and fork and eating the dog. What would you do? I guess you'd probably be a bit shocked, but considering that you eat animals, I guess you do. I guess for you it would be no big deal, right? If you saw somebody hurting a cat and then after the cat was dead, putting the cat on a barbecue and eating that cat, I guess for you, you wouldn't say anything either, right? Because how can you say anything if you do the same thing to pigs and chickens and cows? For me, it just hurts to watch it. What can I do?